that money go one way and then on show. One way, nigga, you know I got no razzles. Yo, what's going on, Black Wall Street FX fam? Welcome back to another week. This your host, Charles. Hey, let's go ahead and get these trades in right quick. I'm finna get ready to go in to work, but I seen a little setup on EU. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that in, and I'm gonna get y'all in and out like usual. Looking at EU, we broke structure. This is last high or low. We done broke structure. We retesting that. Plus, it's a double top. Hey, let's prepare to go down. That's how I'm looking at it. Get out the way. We're gonna put a stop loss above that high right there. And let me see. Okay, we'll go to this structure right here. This just projected. That don't mean now look, we're going to the daily. 101.686 is what I'm looking at. So let's get it. Here, let me do this one right here first. It's easier. Okay, we're on the 200,000 account. Come on, 1%. You know what I mean? Then away. So let's go ahead and do that. Come on, move out the way, bro. Short position. This will happen, man. I'm fresh out the bed, dog. But go ahead and put in the comments what pairs y'all looking at this week. How was last week? Did you win? You lose? You learn something? Shit, let me know. All right, so this one of the fundeds. Let's switch over to the live account. The live account that we brought out the dirt. The live account that we brought out the dirt. Because we was at $85 last week, and now we back up to $461. Like I said, bro, I'm not this terrible at trading, but trading will humble you. You know what I mean? I was on that little high from I think I was on that high from passing at the first phase, and but I was just out here doing anything. Sorry though, we're trying to get back focused though. What is that like? What's that? 101.6, I believe. I do that. That's cool. Reward tool. No, I want a reward tool. No trick. But y'all seeing this in real time. I promise. And I ain't cutting none of this out. Just is what it is. All right, that look good to me. All right, and then since we only got two props. Boom. Protect that order, stop loss. We're gonna go 105, 160. 105, 160. And then I'll take profit. Come on, I shoot for that low right though. Even though we probably cut out before that. 102,099. What was it? 101. 01. I'm gonna put 01600. It'll figure itself out. Yeah. So there we go. Again, we got trading view. You will see it a little better. Got a breaker structure, double top. That's a lower high. DXY, you clearly see. Yo, welcome back to the Black Wall Street FX channel, man. Of course, I'm your boy Charles. Hey, I'm finna get ready to get into this position. It's probably about 30 minutes early. You know, normally my trading time 8:30 to 10:30. I'm getting in on London session, but I mean the setup is setting up. So what's the day? The date is 2/18. So let's get to it. We about to get ready to jump into this UJ. The candle just closed, so we about to go ahead and jump in this position. And then I'll go through my previous trade for the day. What's 30-minute time frame? Let's go ahead and get up under that. And then we're gonna see if we can target the next line. All right, that's my trade idea right there. We find support on my key level. Of course, my favorite pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder. What a DXY. The DXY. The DXY is currently in the uptrend. Anything with USD on front, if if the DXY is bullish, then most likely that's gonna be bullish. And then anything with USD on the end is bearish. That's why I'm going to re-enter into this Euro trade too. But let's go ahead and get our positions for it fly by on us. What is this? This the personal account. Alright, so let's go. I'll put the risk reward tool on later. I'm feeling a little risky today since we done brought the account back a little bit. Let's see what we can do. Was it like a 1 to 6? And we'll follow it. Man, I don't care about none of that. All right, let's go ahead and get in that position. All right, then we're gonna go to this. We're gonna go on to our funding. USD. I think the TV loud as hell. I don't know if y'all can hear that TV. Hold on for a second. All right, let's go ahead and jump in this position, man. Let's do a percent and a half. Do a percent and a half. Yes, a percent and a half. If you don't know this, funding traders, you can't lose more than 2% on one position. So that's why I'm doing a percent and a half. Buy order. What's that? 151,800. And then I actually rest 2% on this one. All right. Switch the live account. All right. So we into both our accounts. We into our live account. Now as you see the balance, 655. Let me just do it on this own fillet doing all the editing. What is it? Closed positions? Yeah. So I had brought the account back up into profitability today. I think I made like $360 something, and I was up, basically like $121 on the account. Then for some reason I tried to jump back into this EU trade. Man, it spiked, knocked me out for 100. So now we down on the account like $69. But earlier last week, we was down to like $85 on the account. We was damn near blowed to getting all my money back plus some. To now I'm, barely under, being even. So that's the compound of trading. Like you can lose 4, 5, 6 in a row and get 1 or 2 good trades with a good risk to reward, and you know what I mean, jump right back where you need to be at. So that's where we at on the account. Let me see. I guess we'll do I guess since I'm already on the platform, we bought the FX account back. So we 101,803. So we actually 1,800 in profit on the FX account. And let me see what the funding traders. And we actually up 3,700 on the FX account, which is a $200,000 account. Yeah, so we trying to fight back. Again, key level to key level. Am I gonna hold it up there? Most likely not, but that's what I'm aiming for. What's today? Tuesday. We'll see how it how it react. I mean, if it's pushing good, we'll hold it all the way up to Friday. So it don't matter if I got to get out at worst here, maybe here, somewhere in between. I mean, right now, you know, I'm all about taking profits right now. Normally I try to hold to my targets, but as disastrous as the beginning of the week or the beginning of the year has been for me, I'm just taking profits right now. So hey, that's just what it is. So that's my analysis. Let me see. EU. I'm looking to jump back in the EU too. I'm really just waiting on this 30-minute to turn back bearish. So after it turn back bearish, we'll jump back in this one too. So once we get some kind of bearish movement to the downside, we are right here. Once we can get something like this, then I'm gonna try to jump back in. Let me straighten that out a little bit. We can get something like this right here. Cause it's kind of moving sideways. So if I can get some movement like this right here, which will be, and I would like to re-enter. Come on now. That ain't the right one. Right here. Let me get in on a retest. Because right now we got a little sideways movement, which is mini consolidation. As soon as I can get a break below and a retest right here, I'm gonna jump back in EU and EU. We definitely ain't. If I can get in right here, stop above consolidation. I might try to push it right here to my zone. And as you can see right here, tap on this zone to start the push. So we can go right back down to that zone where the move started from. In normal pairs, I like to go from key level to key level, but come on, let's be honest. EU has its time where it moves like that, but we already at Tuesday. I'm not gonna take that chance to wait on EU to move like that. So just if I can get right here, get above this zone, or I might even push it up barely above this key level. Even a 1 to 4. A 1 to 4 is good if you want to be risky with your entry. Go right above the consolidation for a 1 to 6. If you can get that by the end of the week, we'll be golden. So that's what I'm waiting on. It's already 14 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and get y'all up out of here. I'll update y'all with the results. Hey, Black Wall Street FX out. Hey, welcome back to the Black Wall Street FX channel, man. Y'all already know who y'all with, bro. So let's go ahead and get this recap on the way right quick, man. I'm gonna get y'all in and get y'all out. I think it was around Tuesday or Wednesday, I was telling y'all about. Man, it's crazy, bro. My mic must have cut out. I didn't even know it. So if you can check this right here out, I never got back into the EU trade. I was asleep by the time the trade hit. So we never got back in that trade. But as you can see, if I did, I probably could have got about a 4 off the trade. Hey, we didn't get the trade. We missed it. It's all good. Let's go to UJ. As you see, UJ fell to the earth, man. Shit. Um, but it's a trade that I normally would take 10 out of 10 times, man. I got a shoulder, head, shoulder on the key level, multiple taps, is building support. I will always take this trade. This is an actual setup that I will actually take in real life. So this is the first real setup all year that I done took. But as you seen on the graphics, man, hey, it fell to the earth, bruh. So we lost this trade. Ain't nothing else I can talk about. So spilled milk. Um, but if I see this trade again, I take this trade again. You know what I mean? We had the DXY and confluence. Everything was cool. It just didn't go our way. And I seen it start having bearish movement. I was already in the trade. I just let it play out. So yeah, that's what it is. As you see, we 455.76. We lost $200 on this position. You know, I should have risked 100, but I felt a little risky, and that's where we at, 455.76. You see the trade right here. We lost the $99 from the previous day. We lost that also. The 323. That was just a trade that happened because I had the one click trade on and had the phone or pocket. So I had to turn that off. Boy, that's too risky. So I got in and got out of that trade real quick. But hey, we bought this account back from the dirt and we're gonna continue to keep building it. This is a voiceover. I don't know how it sounds until I play it back or whatever. But I didn't want this to play for 6-7 minutes and not hear nothing. So that's what it is, bro. But yeah, that's what it is, bro. Come on. Uh, the FX account, we down 31.77. As you seen on the previous graphics, I told you I put the stop loss at the wrong position. So by the time I even walked from my office to my bedroom, it had knocked me out the trade. I realized I put the wrong position in, and I re-entered back into the position because I felt like it was a good position. Um, Hindsight, I should have just let it. Well, I guess it was a good position, man. I ain't mad at it. You know what I mean? It really, again, I really should just be broke even on this account, but I took the position again, another 2%, so I lost 4% on this position. Hey, it happens to the best of us sometimes, so that's all I can really say, boss. Just me explaining that I should have been above the head, but I put it above the shoulder. I was just waking up and took the position. I don't even know how in the hell I did that, bro. It is what it is, man. We'll live and learn and trade another day. Come on, bro. You already done explained this, man. Keep it pushing, bro. Should have been above the head. I put it above the shoulder. Don't know how I did that. Yeah, we already explained that. Talking a whole lot. Let's hurry up and get through this. All right. Funding traders. We basically $693 in the positive, and we 200 and something dollars down for um the personal account. We lost the 214. Of course, you seen me put the $200. I said I was feeling risky. I don't know why. Um, but yeah, 207.27. You see the 104 from the previous day. Then you seen a couple wins when I scalped. Hey, that's about it for this video, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all. You probably can watch the rest of it if you want to. But I'm out, man. I appreciate y'all. Okay, right here I showed y'all. Okay, I held this trade for a day and 5 hours. And y'all can see the rest of the matrix. Thank you, man. Holla at you.